Okay, first of all, we should know where we can use condition type 1. When we thinking about possible situation in the future, we use type 1. You can say condition type 1. And there is a particular structure if plus present simple and future simple. You can also see the red color. I have already written the structure. If plus subject plus first form plus object. And after that comma, subject plus will plus first form plus object. So for you first of all, you should know when we use condition type 1, whenever we talk about possible situation in future. Okay, so are you listening to me? Are you getting my point, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you have possible situation in future, it means that you are in present, but you guys are thinking about possibility in future. Then you can use condition type 1, and you must remember the structure. If actual, you can say a conjunction, and after if you have to use present simple, I mean tense, and after that future simple tense. And there is a structure you have seen, I mean that if plus subject first form then object, and you can see the purple one, subject will plus first form then object. Okay, so this structure is common when talking about possible plans, promises, warning, threats, or for persuading. Persuade means manana, razi karna someone. We are predicting a likely result in future if a condition is fulfilled. For example, you can see the red one. If I go to Paris next month for work, I will visit Eiffel Tower. अगर मैं अगले महीने पेरिस जाता हूँ तो मैं एफिल टावर जाऊंगा. तो it means that is your plan. So you can see the red one is it is in present simple, and the purple one is in future simple. Okay.
Future simple.
If I have time, I will help you. That is a promise. कि अगर मेरे पास वक्त होता है तो मैं आपकी मदद करूंगा. If you touch the wire, you will get an electric shock. That is a warning. अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिक तार को पकड़ते हो तो आपको जो है वो इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक या करंट लग सकता है. If you eat my chocolate that is in the fridge, you will sleep outside with the dog. Threat. अगर तुमने मेरी फ्रिज में रखी हुई चॉकलेट खाई तो तुम्हें रात कुत्ते के साथ बाहर सोना पड़ेगा. If you take me to the mall, I will buy you an ice cream. अगर तुम मुझे मॉल ले जाते हो तो मैं तुम्हें आइसक्रीम खिलाऊंगा या दिलाऊंगा. That's called persuasion. So you can see that how we are making conditional type 1. Okay, so I request you to write down the structure first, definition, structure, and some examples, and then let me know. I'll give you some sentences in Urdu. You have to convert in English. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Recording in process and in progress. Sorry. So I will drop into the group. Those people, they are not in the class, so they can understand. So I have given them time to write. After that, I will give some Urdu, and you guys have to convert into English. So once you have written, please inform me Ifat, Anam, and Afnan.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, what about you, Afnan?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so I'm going to give you Urdu, and you guys have to convert into English, right? First of all, you should write down
Yes, sir.
Urdu. Please write down Urdu. I'm going to give you.
Okay, sir.
अगर तुम्हारा फोन आता है मैं यकीनन उठाऊंगा. अगर तुम्हारा फोन आता है मैं यकीनन उठाऊंगा. Done. अगर तुम्हारा फोन आता है मैं यकीनन उठाऊंगा. जी डन.
Yes.
नंबर टू.
Yes, sir.
नंबर टू, अगर बादल गरजते हैं बारिश होगी. अगर बादल गरजते हैं बारिश होगी.
Done, sir.
नंबर थर्ड, जस्ट राइट उर्दू, ओके. नंबर थर्ड, अगर वो यहाँ आता है मैं वहां जाऊंगा. अगर वो यहाँ आता है मैं वहां जाऊंगा.
Done.
हाउ मेनी सेंटेंसेस?
Three. Three.
ओके. नंबर फोर प्लीज राइट डाउन. अगर तुम चाय बनाती हो मैं पीऊंगा. अगर तुम चाय बनाती हो मैं पीऊंगा.
Done.
नंबर लास्ट, नंबर फिफ्थ, अगर तुम नहाते हो गीले हो जाओगे. अगर तुम नहाते हो गीले हो जाओगे. एंड लास्ट वन, वन
Done.
वन मोर प्लीज. अगर तुम मेहनत करते हो कामयाब हो जाओगे. अगर तुम मेहनत करते हो कामयाब हो जाओगे. ओके, टेक 5 minutes and then convert into English. Okay ji, so have you done guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Anam, you should start reading your answers.
Wait. If you call me, definitely I will receive.
Okay,
If cloud thunder, it will rain.
okay.
If he comes here, so I will go there.
Can you repeat your sentence again?
If he comes here,
Mm-hmm.
so I will go there.
Good, good.
If you make tea, I will drink.
Okay,
If you take bath, so you will wet.
okay,
If you do hard work, so you will get success.
okay. That's fine. What about you, Afnan?
Yes, sir.
G.
If you call, I will definitely receive.
Okay,
If cloud thunder, it will rain.
okay.
If they came here, I will go there.
Can you repeat again? If
If they came here,
no. If he comes here, अगर वो यहाँ आता है.
okay, he comes.
If he comes
If
here,
he
I will go there.
come, I will go there. If you make tea, I will drink.
Okay.
If you get shower, you will get wet.
अगर तुम नहाते हो. Okay. And
If you do hard work, you will get success.
if you do Harvard, you will get this. Okay, that's good. Jifat.
Yes, sir. If your call come, definitely I will pick it.
Can you repeat again?
If your call come, definitely I will pick.
No, wrong. Next, I will tell you the better one.
And
Read your next question.
okay. I will attend.
Nani, go your second answer. Second
Okay,
sentence.
okay. If cloud get thunder, it will rain.
Can you repeat again?
If cloud get thunder, it will
If
rain. Clouds get thunder,
if clouds
it will
thunder.
rain.
Okay.
Okay.
If he comes here, I will go there.
Okay.
If you make tea, I will take tea.
Okay.
If you take bath, you will wet.
No,
If you
you
work
made wrong.
hard,
If she
you will
makes
get
tea.
success. Sorry, अगर तुम चाय बनाती हो.
Ifat, can you repeat?
Yeah. If she makes tea, I will take tea.
Okay, next.
And if you take bath, you will wet.
Okay,
And the
that's fine.
last one, if you work hard, you will get success.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, Ji, I'm going to let you know the answers. Right answers, right? Just a second. Okay, I think we should join chat room or just a minute. No. What was the first sentence?
अगर तुम्हारा फोन आता है मैं यकीनन उठाऊंगा.
Number two.
अगर बादल गरजते हैं बारिश होगी.
You can also make like this. It will rain.
Okay.
You can also make this. Next.
अगर वो
अगर वो
यहाँ
यहाँ आता
आते हैं
है मैं वहां जाऊंगा.
Next.
अगर तुम चाय बनाती हो मैं पीऊंगा.
अगर वो चाय बनाती है. If she. I will have it. You can say, or you can say, I will take it. You can say, I will drink it. Okay, Ji. Next.
अगर तुम नहाते हो गीले हो जाओगे.
It has lot of option. If you take bath, you will be wet. If you take shower, you will become wet. आप इसके अलावा खाली wet भी यूज कर सकते हैं और इसके अलावा you will be wet, you will become wet, you will wet, you will get wet. ये सारे options हैं. You can use it. And one more sentence. If you
अगर तुम मेहनत करते हो कामयाब हो.
just if you bath. Bath actually verb है. If you bath, you will wet. ये भी आप बना सकते हैं जी. नेक्स्ट
अगर
जी.
तुम मेहनत करते हो कामयाब हो जाओगे.
if you work hard, you will succeed. If you work hard, you will get success. But the second last one is perfect. If you work hard, you will succeed. Succeed is the first form. Okay. So if you want to copy, if you want to check, you can. So you can also say if you call me, I will definitely attend. Receive की जगह attend भी कर सकते हैं आप. If a call doesn't come, आपने कहा था ना if you call, if your call come, this is not a particular sentence. If a,
Yes, sir.
you can also say like this if you phone me. Call me की जगह आपने call me की जगह phone भी use कर सकते हो. If you phone me, I will definitely receive or attend. सारे options मैंने आपको दे दिए यहाँ पे. So you can copy if you want. And now you have to make your own. At least अब 5 जुमले बना के दिखाएं अपने तौर से खुद से. Your own sentence.